Greatness Capital presents 8 levels of wealth and how to achieve them. Steve Ballmer. Hello and welcome, viewers. Thank you for joining us today. In this video, we will be exploring the 8 levels of wealth as described by Steve Ballmer, the former CEO of Microsoft. This video will provide an in-depth look at each level of wealth and the steps you can take to achieve them. As we go through each level, we will also provide practical tips and strategies for achieving your wealth goals. Whether you're just starting out on your journey to financial independence or you're already on your way to building wealth, this video will provide valuable insights and actionable advice to help you reach the next level. So, get ready to learn about the 8 levels of wealth and discover the tips and strategies that can help you achieve them. Thank you for watching, and let's get started. Level 1. Income. Income is the money you earn from your job, business, or any other source. It is the first and most crucial step towards achieving wealth. Without income, it's nearly impossible to build any kind of wealth. Increasing your income is one of the most effective ways to move up the levels of wealth. The higher your income, the more money you have to save, invest, or use to start a business. But how do you increase your income? There are several ways you can do this. First, consider negotiating your salary if you're working a full-time job. Many employees don't negotiate their salary when starting a job or even during annual performance reviews. However, negotiating a salary increase can lead to a substantial increase in your income. Another way to increase your income is by starting a side hustle. A side hustle is a part-time job or business that you can do in addition to your full-time job. You can start by identifying your skills and passions and finding ways to monetize them. For example, you could start a freelance business as a writer, graphic designer, or web developer. You could also sell products or services online, such as tutoring, coaching, or consulting. Level 2. Savings. Savings is the money you set aside for future use, such as emergency funds, retirement funds, or investments. Saving money is important because it provides you with a financial safety net, and it enables you to take advantage of opportunities that may arise in the future. One of the most effective ways to save money is by creating a budget. A budget is a financial plan that helps you manage your money and prioritize your expenses. To create a budget, start by listing your monthly income and all of your expenses, including fixed expenses such as rent, utilities, and transportation, as well as variable expenses such as entertainment and dining out. Once you have identified your expenses, look for ways to reduce them. For example, you can cut back on unnecessary expenses like eating out or subscribing to services that you rarely use. You can also look for ways to save money on fixed expenses, such as switching to a more affordable phone plan or negotiating lower insurance rates. Another effective way to save money is by automating your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every month. This way, you won't have to think about saving money, and it will become a habit. Level 3. Investment. Investment is the act of putting money into a business, stock, real estate, or other asset with the expectation of generating a profit or return. Investing is important because it allows your money to grow over time, and it's one of the most effective ways to build wealth. There are many different ways to invest your money. One of the most important things to remember when investing is to diversify your portfolio. This means investing in different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Diversification helps to spread the risk, and it's a way to protect your portfolio from market fluctuations. Another important consideration when investing is to seek professional advice. A financial advisor can provide you with valuable insights and help you create a personalized investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. A financial advisor can also help you navigate complex investment vehicles, such as mutual funds or exchange-traded funds. Level 4. Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the act of creating a business or organization with the goal of generating profit or making a positive impact on society. Entrepreneurship is important because it allows you to leverage your skills, creativity, and passion to create something of value and potentially generate significant wealth. To become an entrepreneur, one of the first things you should do is identify a market need. This means finding a problem that people are willing to pay to solve. Look for gaps in the market, areas where you can provide a unique solution or product. Conduct market research, identify customer pain points, and find out what people are looking for. Once you have identified a market need, start by creating a business plan. A business plan outlines your goals, target market, competition, and financial projections. It's a roadmap that will help you stay focused and organized as you build your business. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends so we can keep making them, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to see more videos like this. Level 5. Business ownership. Business ownership is the act of owning and operating a business with the goal of generating profit or creating value for society. Business ownership is important because it provides you with the opportunity to leverage your skills, knowledge, and resources to build an enterprise that can potentially generate significant wealth and make a positive impact on society. To start a business, one of the first things you should do is conduct market research. This means analyzing the demand for your product or service, identifying your target market, and assessing your competition. By understanding your market, you can develop a business strategy that will help you meet the needs of your customers and stand out from your competitors. Creating a business plan is another important step in starting a business. A business plan is a written document that outlines your goals, target market, competition, and financial projections. It's a roadmap that will help you stay focused and organized as you build your business. A well-written business plan can also help you secure funding from investors or lenders. Level 6. Real estate. Real estate refers to property consisting of land, buildings, and other structures. Investing in real estate is important for achieving wealth because it can provide a steady stream of passive income as well as the potential for long-term capital appreciation. One of the most common ways to invest in real estate is by purchasing rental properties. This involves buying a property, such as an apartment or a house, and renting it out to tenants. The rental income can provide a steady stream of passive income, while the property itself can appreciate in value over time. Flipping houses is another popular strategy for investing in real estate. This involves buying a property that needs significant repairs or renovations, fixing it up, and then selling it for a profit. Flipping houses can be a lucrative strategy if done correctly, but it also involves significant risks and requires a lot of expertise and experience. When investing in real estate, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Factors such as location, property condition, and local market conditions can all have a significant impact on the success of your real estate investment. Level 7. Capital markets. Capital markets refer to the financial markets where companies and governments can raise long-term funds by selling securities such as stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments. Investing in capital markets is important for achieving wealth because it provides opportunities for long-term growth and the potential for higher returns. One of the most common ways to invest in capital markets is by buying stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company and can be bought and sold on stock exchanges. Investing in stocks can be risky, but it can also provide the potential for high returns over the long term. It's important to do your research and choose stocks that are undervalued, have strong fundamentals, and are in industries that are expected to grow. Mutual funds are another popular way to invest in capital markets. A mutual fund is a type of investment vehicle that pools money from many investors to invest in stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments. Mutual funds provide diversification, which can help reduce risk and maximize returns over the long term. It's important to choose mutual funds with low fees and strong track records of performance. When investing in capital markets, it's important to have a long-term investment strategy and to be patient. Investing in capital markets can be volatile, but over the long term, stocks and other financial instruments have historically provided strong returns. Level 8. Philanthropy. Philanthropy refers to the act of giving back to the community or supporting causes that you believe in. While this level may not necessarily involve accumulating more wealth, it's important to consider philanthropy as a key component of wealth building. Philanthropy is important for achieving wealth because it allows you to make a positive impact on the world and contribute to causes that you care about. Additionally, giving back can provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment that goes beyond financial success. There are many ways to give back to the community and support causes that you believe in. One of the most common ways is by donating money to charities or nonprofit organizations. When choosing a charity to donate to, it's important to research the organization's mission, financials, and impact. You can also look for ways to support local businesses or volunteer your time to organizations that align with your values. Another way to give back is by using your skills and expertise to help others. For example, you can mentor someone who is starting their own business or volunteer your time to help people in your community. By sharing your knowledge and skills, you can make a positive impact on others and help them achieve their own financial success. It's important to remember that wealth building is a journey and not something that happens overnight. However, by taking action and working towards your goals, you can achieve the financial success that you desire. So, we encourage you to start taking action today and begin working towards your own wealth goals. Whether it's negotiating a salary increase, creating a budget, or investing in the stock market, every step counts towards achieving financial success. Thank you for watching, and we invite you to leave any comments or questions in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on wealth building and financial success. Check out this video on your right screen to discover wealth creation tips and read the description below for insights. Take action now to enhance your knowledge on this topic. See you in the next video.